Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets and tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we've got an exciting product in the spotlight, the Viewsonic PG706HD 4000 lumens Full HD 1080p projector. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. The Viewsonic PG706HD is a projector that promises to deliver high-quality visuals in various settings, from home entertainment to office presentations. Let's dive into its key features. First up, it boasts 4000 lumens of brightness and a full HD 1080p resolution. This means you can expect vibrant and sharp images, even in well-lit environments. The color accuracy is enhanced thanks to Viewsonic's proprietary super color technology. Setting up the PG706HD is a breeze with its 1.1x optical zoom and 40-degree vertical keystone correction. You can easily adjust the image size and shape to fit your screen or wall. The Super Eco mode extends the lamp life to an impressive 20,000 hours. This is great for long-term use without worrying about frequent lamp replacements. Gamers will appreciate the low 16 milliseconds input latency, ensuring smooth gameplay without noticeable delays. It offers flexible connectivity options, including dual HDMI, USB, VGA, and Ethernet LAN ports, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. With integrated RJ45 LAN control, IT administrators can remotely manage and control the projector, making it suitable for business and educational settings. At the time of this review, the Viewsonic PG706HD is priced at $849.99. Please note that prices may vary depending on when and where you purchase it. Now, let's talk about the real-world performance and use cases for this projector. Whether you're enjoying movies, sports, or gaming, the PG706HD's impressive brightness and image quality make it a great choice for home entertainment. Its network control capabilities and low input latency also make it suitable for office presentations and classroom environments. Gamers will appreciate the reduced input latency, ensuring a responsive and enjoyable gaming experience. So, is the Viewsonic PG706HD worth considering? With its impressive brightness, sharp image quality, and versatile features, it's a strong contender for both home and office use. That wraps up our review of the Viewsonic PG706HD 4000 lumens Full HD 1080p projector. If you're in the market for a reliable projector that delivers great visuals and flexibility, this one deserves a closer look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.